In this video, we'll show you how to replace the exterior mirror glass on your Ford Edge. This is located right outside the door. Let's get started. You go ahead and push on one side of the mirror, and that'll pop out the other side. Now I'm going to use a plastic trim tool to try and pop this out. You can certainly use a flat blade screwdriver for this. And then come in from the other side. Looking towards the inside of the mirror, we have two electrical connectors. You can simply pull those off of the tabs, and we can remove the glass. We can get the electrical connectors back on. And then we will line up the 4 recesses on the back of the mirror with the 4 tabs on the motor. Once you have it lined up, go ahead and press in. Now that we've finished the installation, you want to go ahead and test out the function of your mirror. You want to test out both the mirror glass's motor as well as the turn signal. We'll make sure that the mirror moves in all directions. And make sure that your blinker works.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.